Hey there, Giftpack Pay Plan members. Based on your helpful feedback, we're excited to unveil a brand new feature you'll love: flexible subscription payments. You can now choose how you pay your monthly fee. Want to use those unused credits? Go for it. Prefer a clean, separate invoice? We've got you covered. Let's dive in and see how it works. To choose your payment preference, navigate to the billing page. Click the exclamation point icon and select your preferred method. Click Invoice Me separately if you'd like to receive a separate invoice to pay your monthly subscription fees. Or choose to pay with credits. Let's break it down. If you're a premium subscriber with a $99 monthly fee and have over $99 in credits on the due date, we'll deduct it. If you have less, we deduct what's available and invoice the remainder. Don't forget to click the Update button so your payment method is saved. So there you have it. We hope this new feature empowers you to manage your Giftpack subscription on your terms. Remember, your feedback is what fuels our innovation, so keep those suggestions coming. If you have any questions or thoughts, our friendly support team is always here to help. In the meantime, stay tuned for more exciting updates coming your way. Until then, happy gifting!